Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Share. I want to do. Hi, Miss Mary, how you do? Long time no see you. You alright? Everybody alright? Tell me that one how do you for me. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You take care. What good no, ma'am. Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Share. We're going to talk a little about Earth. Symbols, we have 6 symbols. We have first or flag, black, green, and gold. Then we have the coat of arms, the thing with the alligator cross way on the top. And then the one with the man them in the helmet two on the side. Then you have the pineapple in the middle. That's the coat of arms. Then you have the national fruit, which is or ackee. Then you have the national bird. No, that the bird in Nagal are the only bird missing in Nagal College. He no go college. We don't know where he graduate from, but he no go college. And he no go no university. But a Philly bird, a Jamaican bird, hey, he name, you know what he name? The doctor bird. You know when come by doctor in Nagal College? Me no know. National flower. Lignum vitae. National tree. Blue maho. Then you have little culture in Jamaica to explain every little thing round the flag. The sun shineth, the land is green, and the people are strong and creative. That's the symbol of the color of the flag. Black, the strength and creativity of the people. Gold, the natural wealth and beauty of sunlight. Green, hope and agriculture, agricultural resources. That our symbol. Then we move on now to some of the Jamaican synonyms in English. Synonyms, and then you have the English, like disclose. Jamaican would say disclose, and you would say reveal. Faithful. Oh, she's so faithful. Elially. Regret. In a regret it, in a regret it. Remorse. In a remorse. Agree. He agree. He agree to do it. Consent. Abandon. He abandon the pity them, He abandon. Me don't know what I'm saying. He abandon the pity them. Forsake. Yeah? Forsake. Mix. Mix up is something of mix you up. Store. Yeah? Store it up. Story. You mixing this spoon. We say story. Store. Peaceful. I love this place. It's so peaceful. It's so peaceful. It's like quiet. It's quiet. Yeah? Crook. Where did the crook go? How crook, How crook. Say, criminal. Criminal. Defective. How where did it? That is the way you buy no good. He look like he has, good. It no good at all. Oh, that is it. They don't look straight. They don't look firm. Defective. Faulty. Yes, it has some faults. Slim. Oh, it looks so slim. You look slim. Jamaican, thin. Yeah. Person Jamaican say, ain't tinny man. Oh, you look so thin. Speech. He give me a piece of speech. He put on a piece of speech up at the college. Lecture. Yes. Lecture. I will throw this stone and let him down, you know. Me we take his stone and let him down. His stone. Jamaicans say rock. Yeah, same thing. Laugh. You laugh too much, man. You just laugh, 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 laugh. Jamaicans say, man, giggle. Giggle. Cold. God. You feel cold. Jamaican, it's chilly. Not true, it's chilly. Chilly. Cut. Cut it right there, so. Cut it right there, so. Chop. Dangerous. It looks dangerous. Inside is very dangerous. I will make nobody go in there. It's dangerous. In there, so it's dangerous. Unsafe. Delicious. Yummy, delicious. Savory. Begin. How we begin? How we begin from? Which part in begin? Start. Broad. He broad. I want broad. I want broad piece of steak. He broady. You say wide. You can say wide. Awful. Are you awful, man? Oh, you're too awful, man. Terrible. Terrible. Brave. Lord, the man, he brave, man. He brave. You know, he brave. He brave, bad. He not afraid of nothing. Look at him, brave. Courageous. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Jamaican. He mad, you know? He mad with you. He mad, man. He mad with you. Answer. You can't answer me, man. You can't answer me. Reply. Admit. I me do it, you know. I me do it. I me do it. I me do it. Admit. Jamaican, I said, Lord, you know, you ain't confess. You ain't confess. You ain't confess. If you like what I just said, the words that I just share with you, please, I beg you, like, yes, like, share, yes, man, cheery, subscribe, yes, me think if you subscribe, keep in touch, and thank you for watching, and you have a great time wherever you are. Until next time.